Imagine this. You're over 50, you look down at your belly and think, I don't eat that much, so why won't this fat go away? You've tried walking, you've tried cutting food. Maybe your knees hurt, your back aches, and standing workouts feel impossible. But what if I told you that just 10 minutes a day, sitting in a chair, could help wake up your metabolism, tighten your core, and slowly melt stubborn belly fat safely? Stay with me because this simple routine is changing lives for men and seniors over 50, and it starts right where you're sitting. After 50, belly fat is different. It's not just about calories anymore. Hormonal changes, muscle loss, slower metabolism, and stress all push fat to the stomach area. Research shows that after age 50, we naturally lose muscle every year if we don't challenge it. Less muscle means fewer calories burned, even at rest. That's why extreme diets fail and why long, hard workouts often backfire, causing pain or injury. But here's the good news. Science shows that short, consistent, low-impact movement, especially when it activates large muscles in the core, can restart fat burning, even without standing or jumping. Chair workouts do exactly that. They engage your legs, arms, and abs while protecting your joints, heart, and spine. This workout is designed for real people. No gym, no floor exercises. No sweating buckets. Just a sturdy chair and 10 focused minutes. If you can sit, you can do this. Before we start, let me explain why this works. When you move your legs and arms together, your body releases enzymes that help break down stored fat, especially visceral belly fat. Gentle core engagement tells your brain to stabilize your spine, which tightens abdominal muscles over time. And when done daily, even in short sessions, these movements improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body stores less fat and burns more for energy. Now sit up tall in your chair. Feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Relax your shoulders. Breathe normally. This isn't about rushing, it's about control. We start with seated marching. Slowly lift your right knee a few inches off the floor, then lower it. Now the left. As you do this, gently tighten your stomach like you're bracing for a cough. This activates deep core muscles that wrap around your belly like a natural belt. Keep going at a comfortable pace. If you feel tired, slow down, but don't stop. This simple movement wakes up your hip flexors and lower abs, areas that often go dormant with age. When these muscles switch back on, your body burns more energy throughout the day, not just during exercise. After about a minute, add your arms. As your right knee lifts, swing your left arm forward. Switch sides. This cross-body motion increases calorie burn and stimulates the brain, improving balance and coordination. Studies show this kind of movement helps seniors maintain independence and reduces fall risk. You might feel your breathing increase slightly. That's good. That's your metabolism responding. Now let's move into seated twists. Place your hands lightly on your thighs. Slowly twist your upper body to the right, then back to center. Now to the left. Keep your hips facing forward. Imagine wringing out a towel from your waist. This motion massages your internal organs, improves digestion, and targets stubborn love handles. Many men over 50 store fat on the sides of the belly because these muscles rarely get used. Gentle twisting wakes them up without straining your back. As you twist, breathe out gently. This helps engage your core more deeply. If your range of motion is small, that's perfectly fine. Consistency matters more than depth. Next, sit tall again and perform seated leg extensions. Straighten one leg out in front of you, squeezing your thigh, then lower it. Switch legs. Strong thighs are metabolic powerhouses. The more muscle you build here, the more fat your body burns, even while resting. If you want to increase intensity, hold the leg up for 2 seconds before lowering. You should feel warmth in your legs. That's blood flow improving, feeding muscles and joints with oxygen and nutrients. At this point, you may already feel your core working. That's exactly what we want. Now we combine movements. Lift your right leg while gently twisting to the left. Return to center. Switch sides. This is where belly fat really starts to get the message. These coordinated movements demand energy, and your body pulls it from stored fat over time. Remember, fat loss doesn't happen instantly. But when you repeat this daily, your body adapts. Waistlines shrink. Clothes fit better. Energy improves. And the best part? Your joints stay safe. We're only partway through, and you're already doing something powerful for your health. Good. Stay with me. Now let your feet rest flat on the floor again. and take one slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. This short pause helps lower stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol is one of the biggest reasons belly fat becomes so stubborn after 50. Even small moments of calm during movement make a real difference. Next, we move into seated knee lifts with a hold. Lift your right knee and hold it up for 3 seconds, then lower it slowly. Switch to the left. As you lift, gently pull your belly button in toward your spine, not forcefully, just enough to feel support. This activates your deep abdominal muscles, the same ones physical therapists focus on for back pain and posture. Many men think sit-ups are the only way to work the abs. But after 50, sit-ups can strain the neck and spine. These controlled knee lifts train the core safely and effectively. If holding for 3 seconds feels too hard, hold for 1 second. If it feels easy, hold for 5. This workout adapts to you, not the other way around. Now let's add an upper body fat-burning movement. Bring your arms up in front of you at chest height. Make gentle fists. Begin punching forward slowly, alternating arms. As you punch, keep your stomach slightly tight and sit tall. This increases heart rate, engages the shoulders and chest, and burns calories without impact. The key here is controlled speed. Faster is not better. Strong, steady punches keep your joints safe and your muscles engaged longer. After about a minute, add a small twist with each punch. Right punch, twist slightly right. Left punch, twist left. This targets the obliques, the side belly muscles that help flatten the waist. You may feel warmth in your upper body now. That's circulation improving. Better circulation means better fat metabolism and faster recovery. Now place your hands on the sides of the chair for support. Slowly lift both heels off the floor, keeping toes down. Lower them slowly. Repeat. This calf raise movement may seem simple, but it improves blood flow from the legs back to the heart, reducing swelling and supporting cardiovascular health. Better circulation helps your body transport fatty acids to be used as energy. It also reduces fatigue, making it easier to stay active throughout the day. Next, lift your toes while keeping heels down. Lower slowly. This strengthens the front of your lower legs and improves balance. Strong balance reduces fear of movement, and when fear goes down, activity goes up and fat loss follows. Now we bring it all together. Sit tall. Begin marching your legs again. Add arm swings. Keep breathing. This final sequence acts like gentle cardio. It raises your heart rate just enough to encourage fat burning without exhausting you. This is where many people feel tempted to quit. Even 30 more seconds makes a difference. Your body is learning that movement is safe again. That's powerful. As you move, remember this. Belly fat after 50 is not a personal failure. It's a biological response to aging, stress, and inactivity. And biology can be changed slowly, safely, and consistently. You don't need longer workouts. You need smarter ones. We're nearing the end of the routine, but the most important part is what happens next. How this 10-minute habit changes your body over weeks, not days. Stay right here. This last part is where everything comes together. Slow the marching down and let your feet return to the floor. Sit back slightly in the chair, keep your spine long, and place one hand on your belly and one on your chest. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel your belly expand first, then your chest. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. This type of breathing signals your nervous system to relax, which is critical because a calm body burns fat more efficiently than a stressed one. Many men over 50 don't realize that stress alone can keep belly fat locked in place. When cortisol stays high, your body holds onto fat for protection. This simple breathing at the end of movement tells your body it's safe to let go. Now let's add one final strengthening move. Sit upright and slowly lean back a few inches, keeping your back straight, not rounded. Hold for 2 seconds, then return upright. Repeat. This movement deeply activates the core muscles without any strain on the neck or spine. If leaning back feels uncomfortable, reduce the distance. Even a small lean counts. This is one of the most effective seated core exercises for older adults because it trains stability, not strain. Over time, this helps flatten the belly and improve posture. Better posture alone can make the stomach look smaller within weeks. After a few repetitions, rest your hands on your thighs and gently roll your shoulders back and down. Good posture opens the chest, improves breathing, and reduces tension in the neck and upper back. Now let's talk about what happens if you do this 10-minute chair workout every day. Within the first week, most people notice better circulation, less stiffness, and improved energy. By week 2 or 3, the core starts feeling stronger. Getting out of a chair becomes easier. Walking feels lighter. Pants fit a bit looser around the waist. After 4 weeks, something important happens. Your body begins to recognize this daily movement as a signal to maintain muscle. And muscle is the secret weapon against belly fat after 50. More muscle means higher metabolism, better blood sugar control, and less fat storage around the stomach. This is not about chasing a flat belly overnight. It's about building a body that naturally resists fat gain. And here's the most important part. This works best when paired with patience and consistency. 10 minutes a day is better than one hard workout a week. Your joints recover, your hormones stabilize. Your confidence grows. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just sit down and start again the next day. The chair is always there. No excuses. No barriers. You don't need to be younger. You don't need to be fitter. You just need to start where you are sitting down. This simple chair workout is not just exercise. It's a signal to your body that aging does not mean giving up. It means moving smarter. Before you go, remember this. Stubborn belly fat after 50 is not a life sentence. It's a signal from your body asking for the right kind of movement, not punishment. You don't need long workouts, expensive equipment, or painful exercises. You just need consistency, safety, and a few focused minutes each day. This 10-minute chair workout works because it respects your joints, supports your heart, and activates the muscles that matter most for fat loss at this stage of life. When you do it daily, you're not just burning calories, you're rebuilding muscle, calming stress hormones, improving circulation, and retraining your body to burn fat again. So start today. Sit down. Move with intention. Breathe, and trust the process. In a few weeks, you won't just see the difference in the mirror, you'll feel it in your energy, your confidence, and your freedom to move. If this helped you, stay consistent, listen to your body, and remember, 10 minutes a day can change everything.